everyone, this is Trisha and welcome to my channel. So I love to post in my community page that I've not been feeling good for my tummy and been kind of lazy as well, and so I wasn't going to cook, so I didn't have a video for you guys, but I feel bad because I don't want my husband to have to go get something for himself, so I'm actually cooking. And I already started, but let me tell you what I have in here. I have this huge chicken breast that I butterflied, and then I decided to just cut it in little strips, and it's seasoned with salt and pepper and this garlic herb seasoning that I have. And then what I have here is a tatuma squash or Mexican squash, and that's so delicious. And then I've got some sliced bella mushrooms, and I did throw in some bits of onion in there somewhere. Maybe you can, well, there's some onion in there. There's a piece right there. Okay, and on the side here, I've just chopped up a Roma tomato. I might chop up another one. So this can have like lots of little veggies in there. And this is just cooking within its own juices. And by the way, I used coconut oil for this. I love using it. My husband wanted it. He said it smelled delicious. But anyway, since I'm adding all these extra little vegetables, I had only seasoned the chicken, and so I need to add a little bit more seasoning. And then I'm going to show you once it is all done. It takes about, maybe 10-15 minutes for all this to be ready. Okay, so I seasoned all this right here. It's not ready yet, but then I also decided to use this is a chicken flavored bouillon. So I'm going to use a little bit of that because I don't have like a chicken broth that I could add to this. So I'm just going to add, that's maybe like half a tablespoon in there. It has salt in it, so you don't want to put too much unless you're okay, with salt. So just, be careful how much you add. I'm just adding a little bit just for flavor. I don't want to give my husband too much of a salty meal. Now this is a lot of food here. This is probably good enough for, 4 people, maybe 3 or 4 people. But I can put some of this away. But my mouth is watering, you guys, so I don't know. Maybe I'll have some. Now this chicken breast was huge, by the way. So there's lots of chicken. But if you are going to make this and you don't have a large one, you might want to use 2, maybe even 3 chicken breasts, or so use some chicken tenders as well in here. But this particular squash, this Mexican calabaza, it is so good. It's so yummy. So I really recommend that you try it out. And it cooks a lot faster than a zucchini or, some other squashes. So I'm just recommending that. Okay, so now I decided to add some spinach leaves in there just to add some extra nutrients to this meal. All right, everyone, so I decided to serve up the food. It is now ready, and I have served it on these romaine lettuce leaves. So I've made like a taco with them. I've made 3 of them here, and this is also, you could call it a boat if you want, but you could also serve this on a corn tortilla or flour tortillas if you prefer. It would be really delicious. But also you could just put it on the plate without any tortillas or any of this lettuce. And you could serve yourself a side of rice and beans if that's what you want. If you're doing keto, then maybe you want to try some cauliflower rice instead. Also, if you were to put quite a bit of chicken broth in there, a little more water in that bouillon instead of, if you don't have chicken broth, just add more to this and actually make it a caldo or a soup. And then you could enjoy it you could enjoy it in a bowl. So that's it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed my quick little recipe and my little video. And it was kind of a last minute kind of a put together, but I hope that you enjoyed it. So I'm going to give myself a big old nail polish coming off my thumbs up. And I hope that you too will give me a big old thumbs up and that you enjoyed my recipe. Please leave a kind comment down below. Share on your social medias. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed, and then the notification bell so that you'll get notified of when I put up my next videos. So everyone have a great weekend, and as always, enjoy.